Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the lumbar support from an Ikea Markus chair. So for my chair I've already removed it and it's lying right here. Now the reason why we are doing this, I assume that you guys already know the reason, and the reason itself has got you here, so let's not get into that. Now regarding the tools that you need for doing this, this is the original Allen key that came along with the chair, and here I have a screwdriver as well. So let's quickly see how we can take this thing off from the chair. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do here is remove this back portion from the chair, because the lumbar support is in here usually, and then to access it you need to take this thing off and then unscrew a few screws that are at the bottom. So let me just quickly tilt the chair and we'll remove this backrest. So I've tilted the chair on one side, and now I'll be taking off these 3 screws, and then we have additional screws over here which are accessible once you remove the backrest. So let's quickly remove these 3 screws. So I've taken off these 3 screws, and now there's additional work that we need to do. So I'm going to keep the base away and let's just focus on the backrest. Alright, so I've taken off the backrest and this is how it looks now. So the lumbar support is, when it's inside, it's placed somewhere around here, and to be able to access that area we need to take these 4 screws off, and then there is a zip like section over here. We can remove the zip and we can access the lumbar support area. So let's first remove these 4 screws that are connecting this particular section to the backrest. Alright, so we've removed this particular section, and let's keep the screws safely. Now if you notice at the bottom there are these 2 zips that you need to take off. And if you push that behind, so what I've done here is I've pushed the fabric layer behind, and if you notice at this point, let me just take the camera off. So if you notice at this point there is a screw and this kind of an attachment, and on the other side as well we've got the same. The screw is missing because I had taken this off while removing the lumbar support. So let me just show you how it originally is in here, and then we'll remove the lumbar support. So originally this is how the lumbar support is sitting in here. If you notice, there are these little pockets over here which basically slide into this section, and the same goes for the other section. So with a screwdriver what you need to do is remove the screw and then the other screw that's over here, and then you can easily take off the lumbar support. You can keep this away for future use if you need it, and basically bring this back in, and then we'll pull back the zip and attach the rest of the attachments. So I hope you got an idea of how you can remove the lumbar support from an IKEA Markus chair. If you still are confused about the process, then you can add a comment in the comment section below and I'll answer that as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel.